I'm going to be giving you 2 ways to connect the screen mirroring from your Android device to your smart TV. So what you need to do first is the settings I show you on my Android device might look different from what you are using to connect the screen mirroring, and the settings on the smart TV might look different to connect the screen mirroring from your Android device to your smart TV. If you follow my steps to connect the screen mirroring from your Android device to your smart TV, then you're going to be able to connect the screen mirroring to your smart TV. So just follow my steps if you can to connect the screen mirroring on your Android device and your smart TV, because the settings I show you might look a little bit different than what you are using. And make sure you have the same Wi-Fi connected on both devices. Make sure the Wi-Fi is the same on your smart TV and on your Android phone you want to connect the screen mirroring to. If it's not the same, your Android device will not recognize your smart TV you want to connect from your Android device to your smart TV. The first method I'm going to be showing you to connect the screen mirroring, you do not need to touch your TV. You can do all the screen mirroring from your smartphone. What you need to do is scroll down on the notification center, and then you want to scroll down again to where you get all these widgets. And the one you want to click on is scroll to the left. Scroll to the left, and then you're going to be seeing all these widgets. The one you want to click on is should be saying Smart View. Click on Smart View, and then it's going to be giving you a setting you want to click on. Then the Smart View settings came up, and then you see it says select where you want to view your phone screen. Nearby screens, mirrorings, and Chromecast devices will be shown in the list below. If you have if you have a bunch of TVs, it's going to be listed right here where it says available devices. It says right here LG Web OS TV, and then you have the bedroom TV. Those are the 2 TVs that pop up on my screen. What you need to do is you need to select the one you want to screen mirror to. So I'm going to be clicking the bedroom TV because that's the TV that I am using right now to screen mirror the smartphone to the TV. So if you have a bunch of TVs, it's going to be showing up where it says available devices. Click on the TV you want to screen mirror to. So I'm going to click on bedroom TV, and then the screen should be popping up on my smart TV. You see, the TV is recognized my smart device. I can do everything I am doing on my Android device and it will show up on my TV. If you want to disconnect your screen mirroring, you're going to be seeing this blue dot on the right hand side. Click on that, and then you should see Smart View settings, pause sharing, set phone aspect ratio, or disconnect. If you want to disconnect, then just click on disconnect. Then your phone is no longer connected with the screen mirroring on your smart TV. The second method I'm going to be showing you to connect the screen mirroring, or the cast as they call it on the smart TV. What you need to do is scroll all the way to the top, and then you should see where it gets highlighted. Scroll all the way to the right, and then you're going to be seeing where it says AirPlay and Cast. Click on Cast, and then it's going to be coming up with a bunch of cool pictures for the casting, you see? Now, on your Android device, you need to turn on your Android device, and then you need to scroll down in the notification center, and then scroll again till you get all these widgets. Then scroll to the right again, and then click on where it says Smart View. Click on Smart View, and then it brings you to the setting again. If you have available devices, it's going to be showing up on the bottom right here for available devices, bedroom TV. And if you have more TVs available for screen mirroring, then it should be popping up right here. So you see it says LG Web OS TV. I have 2 TVs, and that's the TVs that show up on my Android device. If you have a different TV, then it's going to be showing up right here where it says available devices. I'm going to be clicking on bedroom TV, and then the screen mirroring should pop up on the TV. You see, the screen mirroring is on my TV, and I can do everything I am doing on my Android device on my smart TV. Now, the second method to disconnect the screen mirroring from your Android device, you do not need to click on this blue dot to disconnect the screen mirroring. Grab your remote for the TV, and then click on where it says Home. Click that, and then it's going to be disconnecting your screen mirroring on your Android device. You see? You see the blue dot went away on your Android device. So that means that your screen mirroring is disconnected on your Android device and on your smart TV. So that's it for this video, guys, on how you can screen mirror your Android device to your smart TV. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones on how to screen mirror your Android device to your smart TV. So please like, comment, and subscribe.